Whakaalofa te makau. Dave.
Hey, we're at the Catholic Church just now, just getting ready, getting started, and I said baptize him. So yeah, so we're just waiting for the family king, so they're just gonna come, so they're gonna make way.
Yo.
I'm gonna start 5 minutes.
Yeah, we're here at the
Catholic Church.
church, the Church of Our Lady Fatima. My brother's a Catholic, so he's gonna get baptized. We're here to support my bro. Here's David. David's getting baptized along with Lil Hayden and Lily. And what's your name? What's your name? Not sure what his name is, but got my family here to support.
And then we got the
Gus is here to support.
Gus is still here.
Yep. Father, Holy Christ, and the Spirit. Got Lily here.
Got the
Hello, it's me and Jackson and Ari. We just going.
Wow, I look way pretty on the camera.
This is going on YouTube. Yeah.
Oh shoot!
So,
Don't mind me saying that.
This is we're just at we're at a church, and we're at a church right now to watch our cousins get baptized. It's a very good thing.
Hey, Bula, we're just here for Hayden's baptism. Very exciting time for him, and it's me as well. Yeah, and I hope I'm very happy for him to be accepted in the Catholic Church. And, you know, God is good.
Whakaalofa te makau. Yep, went to the baptism. Had to leave early because gotta get these guys to sleep. What did you guys think of the baptism?
Good.
Good, yeah. Now we're just at BK. These guys are having some BK while I watched them eat. All good. Shot, David, Hayden, and Lily. Congrats on your baptism. Now you're a Catholic now. Hey, Catholics. All right. Catch you later. Koe kia.